Stop scrolling. Think all t-shirts are the same? Think again. Today, we're exploring the top 10 t-shirt styles for 2026, from timeless classics to the trendiest cuts. Whether you're male or female, tall or petite, casual or sporty, there's a t-shirt here for you. Even one's perfect for your own custom brand. Stick around until the end, and you'll know exactly which t-shirts are going to dominate the trends this year. Crew necks are the classic go-to t-shirt. The round neckline sits comfortably around the neck and works with almost any outfit. For men, slim-fit crew necks are perfect for casual wear or layering under jackets, while women can choose slightly fitted crew necks for layering under skirts or cardigans. Tip: crew necks flatter every body type. Petite individuals may benefit from slightly longer crew necks to balance proportions, and fuller figures can opt for a classic fit for a more elegant look. Transition: now that we know the staple, let's move on to a style that elongates the neck. The V-neck. V-neck t-shirts draw attention to your neckline and collarbones. Men can rock classic or fitted V-necks, while women can wear deep V-necks for casual or layered outfits. For a sporty touch, pair with leggings and sneakers. Fun fact: studies show V-necks make your face appear longer and more defined, making them especially flattering for rounder face shapes. Transition: from the casual stretch of V-necks, let's add a touch of sophistication with polos. Polo t-shirts are perfect for sporty or casual office looks. Men can wear slim-fit polos for golf or smart casual outfits, while women can opt for fitted polos ideal for office casual style. Trend tip: soft peak fabrics and space-dyed colors are huge in 2026. When layering, button up the top buttons to keep a clean neckline under jackets or cardigans. Transition: now let's cover a must-have for layering in cooler weather: long sleeves. Long sleeve crew necks are perfect for chilly days, but they're not just for winter, they're essential for spring and fall layering too. Women can pair fitted long sleeves under crop jackets or oversized blazers, while men can enjoy relaxed fits for a minimalistic casual style. Tip: tall individuals can try slightly longer sleeves for better proportion, while petite folks should avoid overly long versions. Material insight: in 2026, long sleeves come in cotton, bamboo, and performance fabrics, allowing breathability, all-day comfort. Fact: 70% of streetwear brand collections in 2026 include long sleeves, not just for warmth but as a style element. Sleeve prints, minimal logos, or handwritten graphics elevate an ordinary tee into a premium piece, perfect for custom t-shirt brands looking for impact. Transition: speaking of bold statements, let's talk crop tees. Crop t-shirts are a 2026 trend staple, ending above the waist and pairing perfectly with high-waisted jeans, skirts, or cargo pants. Women can choose fitted crop tees for a sporty, feminine look or loose ones for a streetwear vibe. Men are slowly embracing crop fits in gym or summer casual outfits. Tip: petite wearers can use crop tees to visually elongate legs, a simple but powerful styling trick. Trend insight: pastels, wash defects, tie-dye, and minimal graphics are trending. A small logo or centered print makes it look premium. Fun fact: crop tees are among the fastest-selling categories with youth. They're statement pieces, not just basic tees. A must for custom brands aiming to catch the latest trend. Transition: next, let's look at comfort and statement style. Combine the oversized tee. Oversized t-shirts aren't just about comfort, they're a streetwear statement. In 2026, oversized is a core element. Loose cuts don't cling and create a confident, relaxed look. Men can wear baggy oversized tees with cargo pants or wide jeans. Women can pair boyfriend or oversized fits with leggings, biker shorts, or skirts. Styling tip: balance wide tops with slim bottoms for proportion. The bigger the shoulder drop, the stronger the streetwear vibe. Fact: oversized tees dominate streetwear sales in 2026, perfect for big prints, graphics, and slogans. Custom brands get huge canvas space for front, back, and even sleeve designs. This is a true statement piece. Transition: let's shift to sporty sophistication. The Raglan sleeve. Raglan sleeves feature a diagonal seam from the shoulder for mobility and a sporty look. Men can enjoy classic baseball-style Raglans with contrasting sleeves. Women can choose fitted or cropped Raglan tees for a modern sporty vibe. Tip: want broader-looking shoulders? Raglan cuts create visual width. Contrast colors instantly elevate minimal effort styling. Fact: Raglan tees straddle the line between gym and casual fashion. Custom brands can add sleeve graphics or logos for unique identity. Transition: from sporty tees to functional fashion, let's check out pocket tees. Pocket t-shirts add a small patch pocket for utility and style. Men can pair with casual shorts or chinos, women with fitted jeans, skirts, or even oversized pants. Tip: contrast pockets or different materials make your outfit pop. White tee with denim pocket or black tee with white pocket is instantly trendy. Fact: in 2026, pocket tees dominate minimalism and streetwear. They're simple but not boring. Custom brands can add small logos, embroidery, or hidden designs on the pocket for a premium vibe. Transition. Next, we combine comfort and style. The hoodie t-shirt. Hoodie t-shirts merge the ease of a tee with the style of a hoodie. Men can go loose for streetwear or sporty looks. Women can pick fitted or cropped options for a chic sporty vibe. Tip: layer under denim jackets or open shirts for a trendy look. Fabrics are breathable and soft, suitable for summer too. Styling idea: large front prints or sleeve designs make it a strong statement piece. Hoodie tees are versatile for gym, walks, or everyday wear. Custom brands gain maximum creative freedom with hood, sleeve, and front designs. Transition. Finally, let's finish strong with muscle shirts. Muscle shirts aren't just tees, they're confidence. Wide arm openings highlight the upper body while allowing freedom of movement. Men, perfect for gym, fitness, or summer casual outfits. Strong shoulders or arms? Muscle shirts showcase them visually. Women, loose or cropped options are trendy for streetwear or layered looks. Pair with sports bras or fitted tops. Tip: slim figures should avoid overly wide muscle shirts. Opt for structured or medium fits. Pair with joggers, shorts, or cargo pants for an athleisure style. Fact: muscle shirts are a growing trend in fitness and streetwear in 2026, especially during summer. Custom brands can use front or back prints or minimal logos to turn this tee into a statement piece.